Hello everyone, what are we cooking today? Well, it's the time of year that you will find these juicy plums everywhere. You can buy them in the supermarket. I obviously buy them just down the road from our local farmers. There's lots of things you can do with plums. You can make plum syrup, you can make plum chutney, you can preserve them in sugar syrup so that you have a nice dessert in the winter time, or you can make a plum mostarda, which is absolutely fabulous with some cheese, some cold meat, or even if you're still doing a barbecue the next few weeks, you serve it with some chicken or some fish. Really nice, and it's really quick and easy to do if I say so. So what I did, I washed my plums, I quartered them. Well, obviously I put the stone away as well. Threw the stone away, quartered my plums, then I added sugar and a pinch of salt. Then I added some red wine. I had some left over from my guests at the weekend, so instead of letting it go sour or throw it away, use it to cook these plums. And then I also added some grape juice, and then I just cooked it for about half an hour, 3/4 of an hour, just until it reduced to half its size. So here are my plums, and I'm using one of my all-time favorite gadgets. I'm not going to say which brand because I'm not going to make any advertisement for them. So my favorite gadget, there's all sorts of things you can use with it, but today we're going to use it as a mixer. So I've got that here. So here is my plum red wine. Oh, I also added some thyme. Okay, I'm going to pour that in here. I've removed the thyme twig before, so this is still pretty hot, as you can see. There we go. It's already looking really tasty, isn't it? Even just as it is now, like a plum jam, really, isn't it? Yeah, of course you can also make plum jam. Okay, so I've got that in here. All I need to now add is some mustard. So I will add the mustard in here. There we go. I used half mustard powder and half mustard seeds. All that's left for me to do now is, because I like to do my dancing to this machine. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Let me have a look. It's looking pretty good. Tastes fab. I'll give it another whisk, just to, for the sake of it, and for the morning gymnastics. Okay, done being silly. Okay, rightio. So I've got all that mixed now. Have to be careful because it's very hot. I'll take that out, chuck it in the sink. And all you need to do now is, where's my glove? Here it is. I've sterilised these glasses with hot water. I'll just pull that out. Put my mixture in here. There we go. I'll just take my glove off. So put the lid on it. There we go. Turn it upside down, leave it there to cool, and then leave it for about 2 weeks to set, and so the flavours can now develop in there. So if you have any other ideas what we could do with plums, let me know so that I can share our plum ideas in the community. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next week. Bye.